Now it's time for a shotgun walk around.
Oh, yeah.
What'd you say about my mama?
Oh yeah. Hey, look, that potato I kept missing. Potato? Potato. Oh, Gatorade. My favorite. What Gatorade? A blue bucket. My favorite.
Fuck that bucket.
What blue bucket?
Fuck that bucket.
Hey, look, a bowling pin hanging. Going, 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 going. Oh, what else should we shoot next? Hey, look at that paint can. Is there anybody home? Let's see. Nope, nobody home.
Oh shit.
Oh, look at this. It's the last bowling pin that we shot. Remember?
Yeah.
The 12 gauge blast that I did?
Yeah.
So that's another fun target for us later.
Oh.
Okay.
I'm all
let's see.
disappointed.
Oh,
hey, the yellow thing.
What's that?
That yellow thing right there.
The
Yellow
the
fire
yellow thing.
extinguisher. Okie dokie.
It's not exactly perfect. It shoots a little to the left. I'm going to shoot the dead center of that target.
Again, that
Notice that it's going slightly left. Look, it's Carrot Twat's pubes.
Holy shit, it is Carrot Twat's pubes.
Fuck you. Bye-bye.
Yo!
Shit.
The tank.
The tank. Now let's get tanked. I need the desert like to shoot a lot of things. But yeah, that thing is just sitting there like a fucking victim.
Right?
Well, once they cry victim, we can help it along. We don't like people or things that cry victim. Gas can, huh?
Yes. See?
Fuck you.
Oh! You see that? Gas can says
Nice spin
bye-bye.
on that one, huh? Paint can.
Soap bottle.
Oh yeah, yellow soap bottle. We're gonna keep things nice and clean.
Yeah. Woof. Woof.
Remember, out in the desert, you gotta stay hydrated. Get plenty of water in you.
To get crushed. Get crushed.
Uh-oh. I hope I don't crush it. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Anything left? No?
Woof.
See a Pepsi?
Yeah.
The choice of a new generation. Okay, hey, look at this thing. Pull. There we go. Nice.
That was cool. Hey,
Nice.
green bottle over there.
A green bottle? Where? Over there?
Yeah.
Hey, oh, look.
A speaker.
Blow your speakers! I blew my speakers.
Yeah, you did. I see right through that.
Right the fuck through.
Tennis.
Well, now it's all out in the open. Why don't we all have a ball? Oh,
The fuck?
peeled it in half. Oh, what else do we have here? Oh, we need a tank.
Yeah.
Good. And we're gonna keep it clean one more time. Ladies and gentlemen, that's shotgun fun in the desert.